Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful in Webflow's 2025 update: how to add a link to an image. Whether you're building a portfolio, an e-commerce site, or just sprucing up your personal page, making images clickable can take your design to the next level. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more web design tips. First things first, you'll need a Webflow account and a project set up. Log in to Webflow and open the project where you want to add the link. Navigate to the designer interface, it's your main workspace for editing. Now, let's get into the steps. Start by selecting the image element on your canvas. You can do this by clicking on the image directly. Once selected, head over to the right-hand panel, where you'll find the Settings tab. Look for the Interactions, or Link, section. In Webflow 2025, this has been made even more intuitive. Click on Add Link, and a pop-up will appear. Here, you can enter the URL you want the image to direct to. Make sure to choose whether it opens in the same tab or a new one for the best user experience. Don't forget to add any necessary alt text for accessibility, it's a good practice. After you've entered the details, hit Save and preview your site. Click on the image to test the link. If it doesn't work, double-check your URL and ensure there are no typos. Webflow's 2025 version also includes a new debugging tool, so use that if needed. One quick tip: if you're linking to an external site, always verify the URL to avoid broken links, which can hurt your site's SEO. There you have it. Adding a link to an image in Webflow is straightforward and powerful for engaging your visitors. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have questions. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and remember, great web design starts with the details. See you next time.